Hey, what's up guys? It's Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and I'm here at Parkside at Grayson. New construction homes built by Meritage Homes. These are really nice. You gotta check it out. Stick to the end, because I got a really nice model home for you guys to see. What's up you guys? This is Tim Trevathan with Tim Trevathan Homes, and here yet again on another new construction video. And there is a lot of new construction teeming with homes being built all over the Grayson area, and this is the one that we're covering, Parkside at Grayson. And it's a beautiful community, and they've got several different floor plans. This is only about a 5-minute drive from Greystone Village, which I covered in another video you have to check out. And this has got just as many, if not more, opportunities for you. Parkside at Grayson, which is built by Meritage Homes, is a big builder that has really solidified itself as one of the go-to builders here in Metro Atlanta. They've got a lot of different communities nearby and in the surrounding counties. You can see here the current inventory of the homes. There's a lot to choose from that range from the high 400,000s all the way up to the high 500,000s. They've got several slab lots as well as basement lots. So you got different floor plans and elevations to choose from. Different completion dates that are as early as May this month or later. So if you have a budget and you're trying to move in a certain date, you've got different completion dates here of the homes that can match the logistic plans for you and your family. And you notice here off to the left side, they've got a big discount going on in some of these homes. So check them out. Now the one that is the lowest in there at $486,000, the Gibson floor plan, that is a ranch floor plan. So ranch meaning 1 story, not 2 stories. So it is going to be a smaller home. But again, if you want a ranch home, easy entryway, some people prefer, then you've got that available to you. They've also got some other incentives, some big ones. Right now, it's a $20,000 incentive if you use their preferred lender. And also, they got another option where they give you a $7,500 incentive instead and use the remaining amount to buy down the rate to 5.5% for the entire duration of the 30-year fixed loan. To secure a contract, basically you have to sign the contract and deposit the earnest money of $10,000. Now remember, and if you haven't seen my other videos before, I always try to mention that with new construction, once you sign the contract, if you decide to back out even a day later, you lose that earnest money of $10,000. So you want to make sure that you are 100% in on wanting to move forward with the purchase of this home, because that's the kind of strict contractual guidelines that they have in new construction contracts. Other cool things to mention about this community is that they have a dog park and a swimming pool, as well as a cabana and playground. The HOA is only $600 a year. That covers the maintenance of all those things, as well as the common area at the entrance. Going back to the floor plans, another thing that I like about them, particularly with the basement lots, is that you do have the air conditioning venting from the upstairs to the downstairs, so plenty of ventilation in the basement, and you can be sure to be able to have that option to finish it out if you want, plumb it for a bathroom, as well as creating more livable space, or maybe put a ping pong table down there. That's the kind of thing I like. Regardless, you've got different options. This community is zoned for Grayson High School, so you've got competitive pricing as well as a good high school district, good overall school district for even elementary and middle school. So for a family to settle down in Gwinnett County, this is an awesome place. Come check it out. And also, don't forget, there's a home tour that I'm about to show you of the model home, so you can get an idea of what to expect inside. And last but not least, if you are looking to buy a new construction home, I represent clients on the buyer side to buy new construction, not just resale. So if you're interested in wanting to work with an agent, I'm here to help. I like to provide this information not just because I love where I live, but it's truly because I'm wanting to work with you. So if you are looking for a new construction home, be sure to give me a call. I'll represent you. Great thing is there's no commission paid out on the buyer side. And one way I provide value is just guiding you through the process. And I can already give you a preview of that through these 2 videos, part 1 and part 2 of the step-by-step process of how to buy a new construction home in Georgia. There's a lot of steps, and it's a lot more complicated process buying a new construction home versus a resale. And these 2 videos alone will help you get a very good understanding of how to buy a new construction home. Hope to hear from you. Give me a call, text, email, however you want to get a hold of me. Stick around for this model home tour video, subscribe, and see you on the next video.